meeting after so many days, right? After the PT exams, PT2 exams, we met today. So I hope you all are excited to learn about ICT, right? You want to learn about the computer? You want to operate computer, right? So for that, you have to listen this video carefully. In this session, like today, we are starting with a new chapter. As you all know, our 3 chapters are completed, right? Chapter number 1st, 2nd and 3rd, these 3 chapters are completed, and also the exam taken of these 3 chapters. So today we are starting with the chapter number 4. So what is the name of chapter that I will tell you after asking one question. So question is, tell me which part of computer used to type letters, symbols and any number. Tell me which part of computer used to type letters, symbols and numbers, etc. I hope you all know the answer. Yes, answer is keyboard. So our chapter number 4 name is keyboard, keyboard special keys. Keyboard special keys. So in this chapter we will be studying about keyboard. So as you all know, keyboard is an input device, right? Keyboard is an input device. It is used to type letters, symbols and numbers in the computer. As you all know, we are using pencil and eraser for writing in our notebook, right? Your teachers are using chalk or some markers like this to write on the board. Like this. कंप्यूटर में हम किस तरह से टाइप कर सकते हैं? हाउ कैन वी राइट इन द कंप्यूटर? वी कैन नॉट राइट विद द पेन, chalk or duster or any marker. In computer we have to type letters, we have to press the keys, press the buttons of the keyboard. So this is the function of keyboard. Okay, so I'm going to show you. So this is a keyboard. This is a keyboard. As you all know, keyboard has many buttons in it, and these buttons are known as keys. These buttons are known as keys, and these keys are used to type letters, numbers and symbols. Okay, so here you can see there are so many portions given. One portion is this, second portion upper line, third portion this one, fourth portion this one. So these are all divided in the different types. So now I'm going to tell you about the parts. How many parts में जो divide है, कितनी तरह की keys हैं. Firstly, how many total keys are there in keyboard? Total keys कितनी है? There are 104 keys in the standard keyboard. 104 keys in the standard keyboard, right? 105 तो नहीं होती ना? Yes, 104 keys are the correct one. So 104 keys in it. So there are mostly 5 types of keys in it. First is alphabet keys. Alphabet keys includes all the alphabets. Alphabets like A for apple. So A to Z, these are the all alphabet keys. Then about the numeric keys. Numeric keys are the numbers like 0, 1, 2 up to so on. Okay. And special keys. So what are special keys? Special keys are like enter button, space bar. These are some special keys. Okay, then what are punctuation keys? Punctuation keys shows the different symbols on the keys like this, these type of symbols, these type of symbols, these type of symbols. These are some punctuation keys are known as punctuation keys. And then it is about the combination keys. Combination keys क्या होती हैं? जो किसी के साथ मिलकर work करेंगी. They will not work separately. They will work with some other key, right? if we want to save anything in the notepad, like हमने notepad का पहले किया, if we want to save anything in notepad, we were choosing some option from the like from the menu box, right? Like मेन्यू में गए, हमने वहाँ पर सेव एज किया, सेव किया, वो चीज़ किया था. There is another option. There is a shortcut key which is known as combination keys. CTRL means control button is a control key is there in the keyboard. I can show you. This is the control key, the one, and here second two control keys are there in the keyboard. So if we want to save with the very short time or very short period, like in with the short keys, what we can do, we will press control and control 1 and 2. We can press any of one. So control and S, and it's save. Save started from S, so it will control plus S and your answer will be save. Your file will be saved in the computer, but you have to give the name by typing the letters. Okay, so this was about the number of keys: alphabet keys, numeric keys, special keys, punctuation keys, and combination keys. So here we are going to talk about today. I will tell you about the alphabet keys. Firstly, I will explain about the alphabet keys. So, how many alphabets are there? कितने alphabets होते हैं? There are total 26 alphabets. Right? There are total 26 alphabets. Now, these alphabets are not written like A, B, C, D, E. इस तरह से नहीं लिखे हुए हैं. They are just shuffled. उनको shuffle करके लिखा हुआ है. Okay, in the keyboard you can see. If you are having keyboard at your home, you can take that one also. It is connected with the computer. So these are the from this Q to P and A to L and Z to M. These are the alphabet keys. In these three lines, 1, 2, 3. यहाँ से शुरू होता है and यहाँ पर finish हो रहा है. So these are the alphabet keys. There are total 26 alphabet keys. I can show you in the first line: Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P, A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, Z, X, C, V, B, and M. So these are the total 26 alphabet keys in the keyboard, and these keys are known as alphabet keys. And letters from A to Z, they are not arranged in a alphabetical order. These are 26 alphabet keys on a keyboard. We can type letters, words, and sentences with the help of alphabet keys. Like I can make one for you here. Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P. This is the first line, alphabets. Then in the second line, A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, and L. And then in the third line, Z, X, C, V, B, and M. So these are the 26 alphabets. It is in the first line, it is in the second line, and it is in the third line. If you want to type fast, you have to practice daily for it. Okay? Without practice, you cannot type fast. So, students, these are the three lines, and in these three lines, all the alphabets are given. It is not in the alphabetical order. These are just shuffled with each other. So, if we want to write the name, if you want to write Trisha here, If you want to write Trisha, how you will write? Firstly, you will press Trisha. If you want write this name, if you want to type this name, what you will do? You will just open your notepad, and what you will do is you will press the key T, R. After T, you will press R, then I, then S, H, A. Trisha. Okay? Is it clear? So this is how we can write the name. So this is about the name. If you want to type any alphabet only, we will just click on A, B, C. We will click on this and it will type on the computer. Then if we want to write any sentence like I like to eat chocolate. I like to eat chocolate. Yeah, if we can say I want to eat chocolate. Right now I want to eat chocolate. Chocolates are not good, no? So I want to eat chocolate. This also we can type. See, firstly we will press I. Then we will press W, A, and we will press N. Then we will press T. I want to, T again, and then O, want to eat, E-A-T, E-A-T-E. So this is how we can type. But see, if I am writing continuously, there is no space between them. है ना, इसमें तो space दिख रहा है जो मैंने खुद से लिखा. But if I will type exactly like this by pressing the keys, जो भी सारे words हैं वो एक साथ merge हो जाएंगे, right? To show them separately like this, what we can do, we have to press space bar button after writing one word. Like I write this word, then I will press space bar. This is the space bar जो बीच में space आ जाता है. This key is known as space bar. Okay. So space bar and then want, then space bar, then to write and then space bar, then write eat and then space bar and then write chocolate. So this is about alphabet keys. This is about the alphabet keys, and I hope you understand what are the alphabet keys, and also in the next session I will be telling you about the number keys and combination keys, special keys and punctuation keys. I hope you all are interested in this. But what you have to do, you have to practice at your home on the PC. You will just switch on your PC and you will open the notepad. I already teach you that how to open the notepad. You have to type these type of sentences, these type of names, and you can just type your name about yourself like we did in the notepad. So just practice it and learn the lines and learn the keys also. Okay, what will come after W, what will come after G. So this is just keeping your mind. It will be done with the practice only. So you all have to do the practice. That is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed it. In the next session I will be teaching you more and more. That is all. Thank you and take care. Bye bye.